Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan, go subscribe already. So I kind of had a late start. I didn't see that my camera wasn't on. It was still on standby. So I kind of did the pinky finger before I started. So bear with me. I am just now doing the middle finger, and I'm just coming in with this beautiful pink that I mixed for myself. I had some pinks and they were kind of boring, so I kind of splashed them all together and it came out with this beautiful color. And this camera is not doing it justice because it's so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is the beautifulest color you can see in pink, but my lighting is bad, and then the red maybe had to the ugliness of this color, but I'm telling you, it is a beautiful color. So now moving on to my pointer finger, and I started out a little bit too far away from the cuticle area, so I am here trying to push the product back up to the cuticle area to see if I can get a nice flush cuticle, because I'm going to be doing an ombre effect on this nail. So I'm just trying to get the cuticle area to be nice and neat, and now I'm coming in with this gold mix that I made this as well. I made all the mixes I'm using today, which is just two, the gold and the pink. Yes, I made these as well, and I hope you enjoy the video. This finger right here, the ring finger, is going to be all gold, the gold mix that I made. I know I should have used clear tips, but I have a whole lot of these nails and I need to use them up, and since this is just practice, you know, I want to make sure that I use up all the stuff that I have while I'm practicing. So now I'm going to be encapsulating the glitters after I have them dry a little bit. I am going to encapsulate them in clear, and yeah. So with my OP High 180 grit file, I will be coming in at a 45-degree handle, and I will be going from right side of the nail to the left side of the nail, and back and forth, right side at a 45-degree angle to the left side at a 45-degree angle. And when I have my desired shape, I will be going around the perimeter of the nail with the broad side of my nail file. And you're going to go in a horseshoe motion or a U motion, whatever motion this looks like to you, that's what you're going to do. You're going to go from one corner of the nail to the next corner of the nail, right there where you see it's turning white. That's where you want to hit, and then you want to go down the barrel of the nail, straight up and down until you get your desired shape. I am not saying this is gospel. This is how I have learned how to file my nails, by watching other people. Next, I'm coming in with this smooth bit, and it's not a safety bit, so you have to be careful with the cuticle area. But this is what I use to smooth the surface of the nails. it works so beautifully. I love using it because it takes away every lump or bump that was left or scratches that was left by the hand file, and it makes it beautiful afterwards. All when you rub that buffer over it, takes 2 rubs and it's good. Look at that, how beautiful that surface is becoming. The more I go over it, it just smooths it all the way out. I love it. So I went ahead off camera and I used the buffer block and I rubbed those nails nice and smooth because I'm going to be using a regular top coat. And here I'm using some alcohol to smooth out the top surface of the nails and get rid of any lint that was left behind or dust. Now I'm coming in with my CND top coat, and this is a regular top coat. It air dries, so I won't have to use the UV lamp today, and that's why I use the buffer to make sure I got all the scratches out. So yeah, because this is a trainer hand, I don't see the reason to put on my poochies or anything expensive on the trainer hand just for training purposes. I just want to see how beautiful the nails turned out, and yeah, as you can see, this top coat is just fine. It shows up all the beauty of the nail, and it gives it a brilliant shine, and it dries fast as can be. So I really don't have any problem using this top coat on myself or on my trainer hand or even on a client, because it's not bad quality top coat, and it wasn't like a cheap top coat either. It was not too bad, but I picked it up at my regular Rite Aid. So if you want to buy these, you can find them at a Rite Aid or a Walgreens or a CVS. You can find them at Walmart, or you can find it on eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Banggood. I could go on forever. You know, it's not bad priced either. So here I'm going to be using my cuticle oil around the cuticle areas. I like using the cuticle oil on my trainer hand. I don't know, it brings it to life, I guess, just like it does to us. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so now. And don't forget to like, comment, share. And always remember to be fly. Always be fly, 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 like reginanailsbfly. Okay, bye. You can follow me on all my social media. Their links will be in the description below, and there's also a link for PayPal me if you would like to donate to the growth of this channel. I would really appreciate it.